The air you breathe is not just unsafe, it's poisonous. Economic boom and consumerism in the last decade is taking its toll on our cities. New Delhi now ranks as the most polluted city in the world. Overtaking Beijing, the dire situation has forced the government to swing into action. It needs to act. It also needs to be seen as acting. And so, to put pressure on both the administration and citizenry, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched India's first National Air Quality Index that will monitor air quality levels.
हम जितने प्रकृति के विषय में संवेदनशील हैं, दुनिया हमारे लिए सवालिया निशान खड़ा नहीं कर सकती है। आज भी प्रति व्यक्ति अगर कार्बन एमिशन में कंट्रीब्यूशन किसी का होगा, तो कम से कम कंट्रीब्यूशन वालों में हम हैं।
The index is a simple ranking of pollution after tracking 8 pollutants over a 24-hour period, and the pollution levels in 10 major Indian cities will be rated as good, satisfactory, moderately polluted, poor, very poor to severe. But even Prime Minister Modi realizes that an index can do precious little to solve the problem.
कार्बन एमिशन को रोकने के लिए जो सारे नीति नियम बना रहे हैं, विश्व के अंदर एक बंधनों की दिशा में हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, लेकिन हम कोई अपनी लाइफस्टाइल बदलने के लिए तैयार नहीं है। जो बहुत आगे बढ़ चुके देश हैं, उनके गले उतारना जरा कठिन है।
Environmentalists have in fact been lobbying for administrative clampdown on construction and industrial activity and even a cap of vehicles. But in a developing country like India that is easier said than done, this trade-off has no easy solutions. Priya Singh with Gauri Dwivedi, ET Now, New Delhi.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.